Gil, did you finish watering the plants? Gil, get out of the rosemary. I told you to water the plants, not eat them. Hey guys, can you believe it? Gil was supposed to be watering the plants, and I showed up, and he's over here just trying to smell the rosemary. Have you guys ever smelled rosemary? It's one of my favorite things. So you can just pick one of the small leaves. Oh, such a good smell. Catch a whiff of that, Gil? Good stuff. So, Gil is taking care of our little tiny mini garden just on the porch. And we just have a couple plants that we planted. He was smelling the rosemary, which is one of my favorites. Right here is some rosemary. And we started that plant, and it was a little smaller. These have been out here for over a month now. But what we're really excited about is this pot right here. We have a serrano pepper plant, and then in the back, with the help of Shepard and Ruth, we planted this cherry tomato plant. And in another month, we're going to start getting some really nice, delicious cherry tomatoes. And hopefully Gil doesn't eat them all, because I would like some. So it is a beautiful day. The last couple days are just amazing. So we've been spending a lot of time outside, and I figured this is a good opportunity for you guys to maybe be outside and maybe, if you can, plant something. If you have any sort of seeds at home or any sort of little plants, it's a fun time to see things grow. So Gil and I thought that you guys might enjoy reading a book, and it's called If You Plant a Seed. Gil, where are you going to sit here? You sit here. He's going to take care of those plants while we read. And it's by Kadir Nelson. And I love this book. Not only is it about growing and planting things, but the story is told with both pictures and words. And in some ways, the pictures tell the story without even needing words. So I'll do my best to show you guys every picture, and you can follow along. If you plant a tomato seed, a carrot seed, and a cabbage seed, in time, with love and care, tomato, carrot, and cabbage plants will grow. And look at those tomato plants right there. That's what I'm getting excited about in a month. Oh, and that's one of the best parts, is when you get to harvest all the fruits and veggies. Look at them eating them. They're so happy. Oh, but uh-oh. We have some new characters came on. These birds. And guess what? I think they want to eat some food too. Oh, yep. They're just staring at the rabbit and the mouse. Clearly they want some of that delicious food. If you plant a seed of selfishness in a very short time. Okay, so this is important. Earlier they planted real plants. Now we're talking about a seed of selfishness. So now it seems like the rabbit and the mouse are going to be selfish. And that means that they're not going to share with the birds. So let's see what happens if you start to become selfish. It will grow and grow and grow. And you see in these pages right here, there's just a lot of fighting, and everyone's grabbing the fruit and flying around into a heap of trouble. So all that mess because they were fighting over the food. And do you see anybody actually getting to enjoy the food? It all got smashed. It all got ruined. No one got to eat it. But if you plant a seed of kindness. Okay, so now the mouse has one little cherry tomato. And instead of eating it himself, he takes it and he gives it to the birds. In almost no time at all, the fruits of kindness. Oh, so now all the birds are taking these bags of seeds and just flying them around and dropping them everywhere. Will grow and grow and grow. So now you can see all those little plants shooting up. Look what it became. A huge, enormous, beautiful garden. And they are very, very sweet. So now it's not just the birds, but even other animals. There's a rooster, there's a raccoon, there's a family of ducks, there's a chipmunk, there's a squirrel. They're all sharing the fruit and veggies from the garden together. So I hope that sometime this week or in the next couple weeks, you guys get some time outside. And if you have the chance to get to grow something, you can start growing even just a small little tomato plant. Remember, if you have a seed, if you have a tomato, you can try to plant one of the seeds. And you'll have to let Gil and I know how it goes. Hopefully, in a month, we'll have to show you guys how good are these plants. Hopefully, we can do a good job taking care of them. But I think Gil's going to do a good job. Gil, are you going to do all right? All right. So I hope, guys, that you're doing your best to sow some seeds that are kind and be generous with those around you. And take care. Until next time. See y'all later.